Hey there, in this video, I'm going to be showing you the most effective way to send bulk message on WhatsApp. This is the exact way I've used in following up my prospect and my client until I make more sales of my product. The most effective thing about this thing I'm about to show you is that it is not a broadcast, all right? It's as if you are sending a direct message to them. It is a game changer for anyone who visits WhatsApp for marketing. Are you interested in finding out? Let's go right into this video.
Now, how to send this broadcast on WhatsApp. This actually works majorly for WhatsApp business. All right. So the feature is only available on WhatsApp business. So it's actually WhatsApp labels. So we have WhatsApp labels here. You click on the three double sign, then you can see your WhatsApp labels. So this is how I do it. Anytime I begin to generate massive traffic on WhatsApp, anytime I begin to generate massive traffic on WhatsApp, so I begin to run a lead campaign, I'll first of all create a label for it. For example, when I was doing my AI traffic AI class, all right, my AI master class, the free class, I created a label. So right here you can see AI leads 1, AI leads 2, AI lead 3, 4, 5, and even 6. There are people I have not yet labeled. So that is the first thing you are going to do if you start your traffic. So create a label for the traffic. Now, depending on the amount of leads you generate, all right, during a campaign. So if you're somebody who is doing heavy traffic, like you get like 500 leads on a daily basis, then you would also need to add creating a WhatsApp group. Like when the people come into your group, even though you will label them, make sure you find a way to channel them into a WhatsApp group, because you might not have time to label everybody at the same time. All right. So what I usually do is that as people are coming into my DM, I label them instantly. So let's say that this first chat here are people who are interested in my class. So instantly I'll just do like, once I select the person, let's say these 3 people, I'll select them like this. Okay. So let's say I want to label them in AI6. I'll just click on my label here and I'll select AI6. All right. And I'll click on save. Now you have labeled those 3 people. Okay. So each label can only, you can label many people, but when you want to send a message in bulk to those people, you can only send 250 people per label. All right. So because this is a form of broadcast on WhatsApp, but this broadcast doesn't show the person receiving it that it is a broadcast. It comes like a normal message, just like I'm going to show you. So once you've done your label, you've labeled the people, all right, you want to send a message. So this actually works better if the people you are reaching out to are those who have already indicated interest in what you are selling. For example, I'm going to send a label to show you an example. So I'll go to, instead of clicking on broadcast, I'll go to my labels. All right. So let me check this particular group. So I'll wait for the label to load. So you see, I have 225 people in this label. All right. Okay, so you can see right here, the label has loaded. All the 225 people are here. All right. And this is actually the way I know the people that I have saved their contact. So there are 225 people here, but the only people that you can send bulk message to at the same time are only people that you have saved their contact. Do you get? So I found out that everybody here, I've sent them message before, just like you can see. Good morning. I hope you found the video helpful. I just want you to know this. So this is a message I've sent to all of them before. All right. You get? So I want to send a message as of the time I'm creating this video as a practical. So whereas the kind of message you should send to your labels depends on the kind of audience they are. Do you get? Don't send a message that will not be personalized. So let's go right now. I don't like sending big message. I like to send message that people can respond to. All right. So go. So click on the 3 dot sign and you click on message customers. So you can see right now, there are 225 people, but only 223 are here. It means there are 2 people I have not yet saved their contact. That's why they are not appearing here. So I will go again. Okay. So you click. So now I want to send all these people a message. All right. Maybe before now you would have typed out the message you want to send to them and you send it to them. All right. So I've crafted out the message I want to send to these people. So you can look at it. Good morning. I know you are ready for business today. What do you struggle with in marketing and sales on WhatsApp? I'm interested in sharing value. So this message was because of the kind of audience this label are. That's why it's good to put your audience into label. You can only have 256 contacts per label. All right. So this will work well if you don't generate heavy traffic. But if you always generate heavy traffic, even if you're not generating heavy traffic, always find a way to also make sure that people coming to you in your DM enters a particular WhatsApp group where all of them can be. All right. It is very, 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 very important. So I'm going to send this message to them. The reason I prefer this label to normal broadcast is that labels, the person will never know it's a broadcast, because it doesn't show that broadcast sign on it. All right. And secondly, labels goes to people who are you already know them. Probably they've saved your contact, but this label is likely not going to deliver to someone who has not saved my contact before. Okay. So that is just it. So that's why you know these people when they are coming to you for the first time. Find a way to make sure that they save your contact and you save their own. So I'm going to send this label to over 400 people this morning. All right. So let's go as you are watching. So I'll copy this message again. I'll go to this is MOT2 and I'll go to MOT1 and again. So you can see here, virtually everybody have saved their contact. So this is one of the ways I know people have saved their contact and people have not saved. Okay, so that is how to send WhatsApp broadcast. So let me hear from you. Have you tried this out before? Let me hear from you in the comment section. All right, guys. So you saw when I sent a broadcast message. So let me show you the effect already this morning, because this is the most effective way of following your audience up on WhatsApp. So you can see. So right here, see this person has responded, this person has responded, and none of them, you can check out their message. None of them is like, oh, this is a broadcast. Oh, this is a broadcast. You see, none of them sees that. You see, this person asked me, how much do I charge? So I can just follow up and put on because many of them don't even know I run ads. So I put on my price there. Of course, today I must close a sale. Okay, because first of all, what I did was to ask them what they are interested in. I want to answer their question first and know the problem they are having. Some people have told me about their problems. So let me show you. So I said, I'm planning to run an ad this week. Person asked me, oh, cool, you run ads? Yes, I do, ma. You get it? So people ask you a question. Person asked me, right? Let me see your viewers. Maybe you can advertise for me. So right here, I've shown him the proof. Okay. So this person asked me a question. Good morning, sir. I need more leads, more views, more people view my status. So I replied, it's simple to get more people to save your contact and save theirs. Also, the current ones you have, what do they gain from your status? So from there, a conversation will start. You get, and from there, I can close sales and make money. So this is the most effective way to send bulk WhatsApp message, all right, using the WhatsApp label feature, all right, on business WhatsApp. So try it out and give me a positive comment in the comment section. By the way, before you leave, make sure you like this video. Like it and share it with your own audience so that they can benefit.
Hey there, thank you for watching this video to the end. Was it valuable to you? If it's valuable, please like right now. Like this video. All right. So let me know in the comment section. Do you have any challenge on WhatsApp marketing? All right. I would like to hear from you in the comment section. I'm going to create a video if I can't answer that question in the comment section specifically for you. I'm going to post it right there on YouTube so that you can gain more value. All right. Please subscribe to this channel so that I can keep getting more amazing value from my channel. See you next time.